All right, shalom. So I'm out here and I'm getting ready to harvest my cilantro seeds. And this is where your coriander seasoning come from, right here. If you've never grown this and harvested your own coriander seeds, once you do it, you never buy it out the store again. This stuff is amazing. All right, so all I did just chop them off at the base. And once I'm done chopping, I got rubber bands. Show them the rubber bands, son. All right, I'm gonna just tie it up right here, and I'm gonna hang it up and let it dry all the way out. And once they dry all the way out, you put them in a brown bag, and you'll shake it, and the seeds will fall off. All right, one more quick thing while I'm right here. One more. Back up, y'all. Back up. Go on the other side of the wheelbarrow. Other side of the wheelbarrow. Listen. Other side of the wheelbarrow. Where's the wheelbarrow, son? Come on now. Got so busy trying to run somewhere, you're not paying attention. Hold it. Stick your arm up. That's all. Hold it up. Hold it up. All of them. All right. Thank you. All right. Now, so these purple top turnips. I thought the greens were gonna be purple at the top, but that ain't the case. What it is that the turnip itself is in the ground. Okay, there you go. There it is. That's the purple top. And there you have purple top turnips. Can you see that right there? Some one right there. Some big, beautiful ones out here. Here's another. Go right there. Another one. You can see it. What? Yeah, you left it up high. You going through muscle failure? The muscles getting tired?
Yes.
I know. Just hold it. I'm almost done. It'll make you strong, son. Here it is. It's this one. It's the same one. There's another one. It's purple tops. There's another one. There's another one. There you go. All right. There they go. All right. Now that I've chopped off all my cilantro seeds, I want to prepare this fire pit once again for something else to go in it. And in this fire pit is a mixture of compost and wood ash that I burnt last winter. It was covered with wood chips. That's it. That's how easy that stuff is to come up. Might make my kids do it so I can get to the next thing. I got some seeds that I want to get in the ground that grew in my compost bin.
Daddy,
What?
Daddy,
What, son?
I don't want to pick up trash.
You don't pick up trash?
No.
All right, then sit your butt down somewhere. All right, let me show y'all my seeds.
Hey, Mommy, this is a cucumber thing right here. Could I just pick up this broken
There we go. So this is one compost bin. This is set from last year's waste. And these seeds they got in here, I don't know if they're, I think they might be cantaloupe seeds, or seem to be like cantaloupe seeds. I don't think they're, what you call them, cucumber seeds. I know they're melon though. I know that. Some new compost he put in there. This is actually compost from my juicer. I juiced some of them, some of those beautiful greens right there. All right, so
and Mom,
finish cleaning this up.
Those blue flowers.
Finish cleaning this up, and then I'm going to put those with the rest of the melons. If you can see them. See those melons right there? Go all the way down. Let me show you this. Some of the kale greens we had went to seed, and then they decided they wanted to jump off and keep growing. So here they are. Look at this little kale patch we have. All right, I also have some tomatoes. Excuse me, potatoes, not tomatoes. Here they are. It's a few of them. I think I have about total. I think that's about 5, 6. I want to say 6. There's another one right there. All right, those will grow just fine right here. Let's show you some of the fruit on the tomato plants. Now, well, y'all can see that because the glare on my. Imagine y'all can see this. So that's the fruit, and the yellow flowers you see is fruit to come. I think this one has. Oh, they did. I thought I saw something on here yesterday. Oh, it's not on this plant. There you go. Right there.
Okay.
And we also have some peppers.
Okay. Just so I can get
Getting
the
kicked
stick.
in. See those peppers on there. That's those ones are jalapenos I just showed you. This is cayennes right there. Oh, one more thing. Brussels sprouts is kicking in. Kicking in. Alright, so here's all that I took out of the spot. That's all cleaned up. I don't know what I'm putting in there yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. Alright.